Go ahead.
Walking down Bleak Oak Street with my baby. Heard the Friday crowd finishing the midnight, hoping for love and a bed to stay. Moonlight's bright in the air, blue cold. A crispy clear start of another Saturday. My darling, it's late from the night before, but now the sun is coming and it's you I know. Let's stay together in love till the day. Wake up to the sounds of Saturday. A-train rumbles as it passes underground, but it's not loud enough to break the sound of your heart beating with mine in this two-person play. We arrived entwined in this cold winter day. It's late from the night before, and now the sun is coming and it's you I know. Let's stay together and love till the day. We go to the sound Saturday. It's late from the night before, and now the sun is coming and it's you I know. Let's stay together and love till the day. Wake up to the sounds of Saturday.
Wow. That sounds fucking cool, man. That sounds fucking really cool. I gotta say. That's a cool fucking sound.